Inside the bag, dada.
Hi everyone, so we're just riding a car with Ate May, yes, and my father over there with my cousin. So we're going to the area that it looks like it's a big area like Diversion Road. So that's why Ate May wants to ride a car with father. So you can see later that Ate May is a driver, so the passenger is my father. So my father is the first time Ate May drive the car. So it's gonna be early in the morning, like you just go on the Diversion Road 4 a.m. because there's no one physical there, so it's easy to drive and it's really good to drive as not much in the empty road. So hi everyone, we are here at Diversion Road here in Sibulan with Ate May. So you can see I'm here at the back and we are only Ate May and me. Ate May is the driver. So Ate May know how to drive a little and she know how to turn and to straight how to drive. So I'm here to take a video for her. So this is the Diversion Road in Sibulan and it's gonna be a big highway here in Sibulan. So if ever there's one to train first time to how to drive a car, you can hear at Diversion Road in Sibulan. So the road is here, it's a little big. So it's gonna be early if you want to teach how to drive a car here like 4 a.m. in the morning or 5 a.m. So much better 4 a.m. because there's no one's vehicle that gonna be passed in the highway because lots of cars and trucks are already in here in the road going to their destination. So you can see Ate May know how to stop by the highway. So I'm here at the back.
I driving in the middle of the road in the race.
Ate May drive in the middle in the road. So I just tell Ate May that need to be safe because I'm here at the back. And she know how to turn. And if there's a people walking at the road, lots of people are exercise jogging right now. So you can see the road is super big. So I don't even know how to drive because my cousin stopped there. It's gonna be reverse.
Kita sa papa.
Nakikita na. Ay, so Ate May gonna do a reverse. And this is the area that some people how to train a car. This is the area for Grid Forever's here in Bantayan. And you can see the gate there over there. That's the area of airport already. So this is diverse. And that is my cousin, the one who drive Atime and the one who teach. So if ever there's one people there that really want to know how to need to know how to drive, this you can contact my cousin through with my sister Atime. So you need to be early in the morning so know to reverse. And this is my father, the one who already ride Atime. So Atime hard work for how to drive a car. Pangan?
Dito yung ulo. Puro sa pa yung dali.
Ah. Yaters ka pala mo si Ana.
Ako na siyang gi-explainan ba. Kung kuan nimo, minaw nimo nga.
Wow, yati ka pala mas.
Ako siyang gikuan nga. Sulod ko nun sa silang balay dahil kanin may kasada ko no. So kanin ay problema pa banti niya na matras.
Kabalo naman.
Taro mo na bila. Eh.
Let's go for turn how to turn. Hey? Performing exercise early in the morning. Oh, this is really good. There's something that rocky road in this road, but and every crossing or of having a path, so we just turn here. Look what is the, oh wow. Okay, so dahan naman ang sakyanan dito.
Mao.
Relax.
Habang sige.
Balik lang mo yan.
Video. Guys, my father is nervous now.
Yes, my father is very nervous right now because I just tell to Ate May that in this going that road, that end road, lots of vehicle there, cars, motorcycle.
I only practice here in the road, curb.
And father said that Ate May, you need to be back because lots of people. Dili ka moagi di ay. Gala ko dito ka moagi.
Yan ako ba ng kasadahan dito.
Oh, lapos na.
Si Papa, pagka-nervous, Papa.
Balik
Di mo,
na.
may video na nagtulog-toyo ko sa kuan, dalan.
Oh.
Si Papa.
Part to na siya sa on di ay sa magtudlo di kag motor atong
Hindi ko
Sakinan
dito
di ay.
practice ko.
If you don't know how to reverse, you just turn here. This is the part, the area that if you apply an like a driving school, because you just need to turn here. Because let's have like a road.
Kita nga tubangan diri sa motoyo ko motor.
And this is how to turn to go back to that bridge. And first is check if there's a coming physical over there. Yeah, look what did Ate May. And also here, the road. Check by check left and right. So it's also a signal light for she will be past that road. Kabalo nang sa tumian. Wow, it's really, I think it's really improvement and he know how to drive, but the last thing that he need to how to drive is the road that lots up. We need to slow because it's lots of motorcycle.
Slowly.
Talagang mo out the extra ng center. Oh, this is
Kaya na ako dire job.
Ringon ako.
this is the highway already. And this park is in Pulse and it's super traffic early in the morning.
Asa ka mo?
Break,
ano,
break, break,
signal
break,
ko
break.
dira.
Dili ra kay straight ta. Okay, go, 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 go. Oh, okay, go, go. Go, go. Go. Okay, good. Slowly ra, slowly. Okay.
Signal first to turn.
Slowly ra, turning. Slowly.
Ayun.
Slowly. Liko ta diri.
Turn.
Ako?
Sa kay na ay. Okay, tuyok sa oh. Okay, ini tuyok, ini do tuyok. Okay. Go.
Wala, kalisod.
Okay. Sige, sige, sige. Nice. Okay, tuyok. Turn.